This is the brand new Elder God Battle Doom Fuzz. So the original design for the Elder God actually goes all the way back to 2014 when Nick Williams was still running Dunwich amps. The idea for this pedal was actually proposed to him by Chris Couzens of the crushingly heavy Belfast-based doom trio Slomatics. Over the years, the guys have used a bunch of high gain style Fuzz Face circuits, meatheads, I think some other Dunwich designs. And what they came up with was actually a circuit that was comprised of two separate fuzz circuits blended in parallel, with the blend being controlled by this single knob. And so on one side of the circuit, you've got a high gain silicon Fuzz Face, and on the other side of the circuit, you've got a low pass filtered Green Russian style Big Muff. Now the large knob in the center of the pedal here controls the parallel blend of these two fuzz circuits from 100% Fuzz Face to 100% low pass Big Muff and everything in between. From the Fuzz Face side of the circuit, you get that high gain, mid-range, high-end clarity without being overly harsh. And then the low pass filtered Big Muff side of the section is gonna give you that massive low-end bloom that you'd expect from a Big Muff. And then the traditional muff tone control is set to its darkest setting to just put even further emphasis on the bass response. And then the two traditional gain stages on the Big Muff side of the circuit were based on a V7 Green Russian style Big Muff, which tends to be less compressed, lower overall gain, and really focused on the low end. The overall post-blend volume of the two fuzz circuits is controlled via this master volume control, and then the overall fuzz level of both fuzz circuits via this fuzz control. This circuit has actually seen a few variations over the years, but the core of the circuit has really remained unchanged. Nick actually built an updated version for Chris within the past year or so, and before sending it his way, he actually sent it to me. I just fell in love with it. Thought it just sounded absolutely crushing with a ton of tonal variation through the knob sweep. And I thought it was something we just needed to put into production for everybody to check out. Now the input of the circuit is buffered, so you can place this thing anywhere in your signal chain. The Fuzz Face side of the pedal is extremely responsive to your guitar's volume setting, and the low pass filtered Big Muff side of this pedal, as expected, sounds absolutely crushing on bass. So the Elder God is available for the very first time today as a production release in limited quantities over on our website. That's doesitdoom.com. I'll have a link directly below the video in the description if you want to check it out. Once again, the Elder God is available for the very first time over on our website in limited quantities. That's doesitdoom.com. Link in the description. I want to send out a huge thank you to all of our Patreon members with an extra special thank you to our Riff Lord and Riff Messiah tier producers. And so until next time, always remember, Tony Iommi is your friend.